yung ating area of operation into 4 quadrants. Kung makikita nyo po, kung halimbawa po nandito tayo sa upper left, upper right, lower left, and lower right, quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. So, dito po siya sa upper left po na quadrant. So, kung dito po tayo, nandito po sa may bandang M. Louvillier po ba, yun yung establishment nun sa harap. Doon po yung rescue area natin as of now. Matatanaw nyo po kung i-zoom in nyo. Doon po nanggagaling yung ating Science of Life right now. Yun po. And back from the family members, total of 23 estimated trapped victims as of today. So we have a total number of 24 who have escaped. So meaning, hindi po sila nakasama dun sa bilang na 23 na hinahanap natin ngayon. Meron po tayong 10 patients transported sa San Rafael Lazatin Memorial Hospital. And may isa po tayo dun sa patient na hindi pa nakukuha yung pangalan as of now. So bale, we have a total of 24 na po na safe as of today. Wala pa po tayong casualty as of 1400 Hotel, sir.
Yes po.